Canva Creators. You might have heard of them. These are people who design templates that will be available for people to use from the Canva library. In this video, we are going to go and discover 9 Canva creators you should follow for inspiration and for awesome templates. What is up everyone? My name is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel. This is the place for you to learn about Canva, to enhance your career, to start a career as a freelancer, or just to make better design and find more clients if you are a designer. All right, so today I have a video for you about the Canva creators. We will go and discover 9 of our favorite Canva creators. I'll show you their profiles. I will give you an opportunity to follow them because there is now a follow button on Canva to follow creators. We'll talk about that in a minute and just discover their work, what they're doing. So that is a great opportunity for you to see some good design, find some inspiration, but also maybe get inspired to become yourself a Canva creator. All right, let's start with what is a Canva creator. Canva creators are designers who have been accepted by Canva to design templates that will be made available to all Canva users from the Canva templates library. So in order to become a Canva creator, you need to first apply and be accepted by Canva. So how can you apply? I will show you the landing page. So this is canva.com/creators, and you will get to this landing page right here. So you can read the information. You can see some other creators featured here. There's an FAQ with a lot of things here. And from this button right here that says become a creator, you can apply to become a creator. Not everyone is accepted at this stage. It is still a hand-picked kind of system at the moment by Canva. I am not working in the Canva creators team, so I'm just telling you from a user's perspective point of view, what is Canva creators and how you can apply to become one. So that is the basics, like what is creators? It is slightly different from a Canva contributor at the moment. So Canva contributors are photographers and designers who create elements or photos that will be available in the Canva library. The creators are people who design templates, so ready to use templates. Now, second question, who can use these templates? Well, a creator can create a template that is available to all users, and for that template, the creator will not earn royalties. They will just get views on their profile, but no money earned. Or they can create premium templates that will be made available to Canva Pro users. So the people who pay to use Canva. So these premium templates, every time users will download them and will use them and export them in some sort of way in Canva, the creator will earn some royalties. So that is how it works. It is basically a program for designers to make money while designing Canva templates. All right, now that we have that out of the way, let's talk about the creators. Let's start reviewing their Canva profile and the work they are creating. The first creator I want to talk about is Andrew Pixel. Andrew is a designer that has been in the creator program since the beginning, I believe. He creates templates, but also provides photos. You can see here 2 tabs, and you can toggle between photos and elements, but also the templates. And the description of Andrew says, creating modern premium templates and illustrations for entrepreneurs and content creators. So creators typically will have the space here, the opportunity to put one link in their Canva profile, and then you will see the number of followers and a follow button. I mentioned that earlier in the video. I want to explain a little bit what this follow button is because it is relatively new to Canva. I believe 2 or 3 weeks as of today, mid-June. So if you click the follow button, which I will do right now, you will see the button will change and say following. All right, so now you're following Andrew Pixel, the subscriber count raised up by 1. And what does that mean? Like, what does it mean I follow Andrew Pixel and his work, his templates? Well, let me show you by going quickly back to Canva here. You will have to go to templates. So this button right here that says template, and don't click on any of the categories, just click on templates. So by clicking here, the first thing you will see here is templates from creators you follow. So you should see a carousel here with templates from the different creators you follow. So right now I'm only following Andrew Pixel, but you will see at the end of the video, I'll come back to this templates tab and you will find more templates from more template designers, from more Canva creators that I would have been following along this video. Okay, so the first one here is Andrew Pixel. Let's have a look. He creates some very cool templates, a lot of colors. He's a very professional graphic designer. I've had the chance to talk to him, to interview him actually for some content we were creating for Canva. A very cool guy, very dedicated to what he does. So here are some of my favorite. Really like this style, kind of retro style with the orange colors and brown. This is really cool. So I will by all means encourage you to discover them. Andrew Pixel, this is my first highlight for a creator. Now let's move on to the second creator, and this by all means is someone you know very well. And I'm talking about none other than the famous Diana Munoz. So Diana says in her profile, Canva certified creative online instructor, bestseller Canva course, 15K plus students on Udemy, Instagram, Diana Munoz, discover my YouTube channel. So very, very like pushy in the description, Diana Munoz. But jokes apart, she also has a link to our YouTube channel. She decided to use that link, but I believe if you're watching this video, you're already aware we have a YouTube channel. And by all means, all right, so what does Diana have here? I see a nice bunch of followers, 538. Let's follow her as well. Good, 539. I'm really hoping to get to 1,000. So after 1 week of this video being out there, if we are at 1,000, we will have a little special celebration for you guys. So let's go ahead and do it. Let's smash that follow button for Diana. And let's have a look at what kinds of templates. So Diana works very hard on these templates with our team, and she creates templates in both English and Spanish. So that's very cool. And let's see what she's... And Portuguese, she's telling me through the door of the studio. So ladies and gentlemen, Spanish, English and Portuguese. That is amazing. Let's have a look at her templates. So a lot of colors. I see a lot of cool stuff for Instagram here in the square format. And I like that Diana's templates are very functional. They're not just aesthetic, they are also functional. Some stuff for Mother's Day, some stuff for people who follow you on social, some infographics, stories, etc., etc. There is a lot of templates here to discover. So this is our beloved Diana Munoz. By all means, follow her. It is very important for her. She's really trying to gain some traction on the creators platform. So that is my second creator, Diana Munoz. Let's move on to the third creator. Her name is Jana Hagan. She's from Canada. I like when creators actually display where they are from. She says, I am a freelance website and graphic designer from Canada. I design beautiful feminine templates for creative entrepreneurs and small businesses. So Jana has a website here, 239 followers. Let's give her one more follow. There you go, 240. So I see here a lot of documents, some cool templates. Indeed, it is pretty feminine and I like that style. It's pretty consistent. And I think like having a look at the Canva creators will really help you understand what it means to have a style, what it means to have consistency in your designs. I decided to show you these 9 because their work is consistent. And I believe this is one of the main strengths of designers, of good designers, that when you peek at their work, just have like a quick glance at their work, you understand who they are because their style is so omnipresent, is so all-encompassing that you will recognize them. Like you will know, oh, this is Jana, this is Andrew, this is Diana when you look at their template. So of course it's very hard to get there, to achieve this consistency, to create that style of your own, but it is possible. And that's what you should aspire to. That's what you should strive to get to, this level of consistency. All right, so just scrolling down Jana's feed here. some pretty good stuff, and I can definitely see how you could make use of these templates. Some resumes here, which is something I haven't done before. In Canva Creators, some cool personality here. I've seen something similar here in Sydney. There's an artist like creating these caricatures of famous people, politicians, but also spiritual leaders like the Dalai Lama, etc., etc. I really like this series. Anyways, I'm getting lost here. This is Jaina. Again, we will have a document in the description of this video. And when you click on this document, you will have access to all of the creators I'm talking about today, or you can scan the QR codes on each of their slides that I'm showing at the beginning of each creator section. So one or the other, if you're watching this on your mobile, then it's going to be difficult to scan the QR code because you're watching from your mobile. If you're watching from a desktop, just point your phone camera at the QR code and you will be able to follow the creator on your phone. But if you're watching on mobile, there will be a link in the description of this video so that you can access a Canva website or document from which you will be able to follow all of the creators I'm talking about today. All right, so this is my fifth pick, and it is a couple that I've also had the chance to interview. Their name are Lina and Arnold. They live in Lithuania. They're a very lovely couple, and their brand is 9-inch Ideas. So this is their profile. It says, at 9-inch Ideas, we love what we do and we always do more than expected. We take great pride in the quality of our service. We are owner managed, driven by creative passion and tech curiosity. So there you go, from Lithuania, 85 followers. Let's give them a follower more. All right, so Lina and Arnold, let's have a look at what they have been creating recently. Oh, I love this color palette, like these tones, very calm and earthy tones. I know that they create a lot of templates related to different seasons of the year and specific events like Easter or Father's Day or Cinco de Mayo here. So yeah, I encourage you to discover their style. They are very productive. There's a lot of work behind what they do, and they run a professional branding agency as well. So yes, I think they are really dedicated to graphic design. They have been a creator since the beginning as well. Really like these with the little message here. This is a style that I've seen in different creators, but really effective. So a little bit of everything here, but again, like this consistency in terms of quality, I would say this is very professional. Some logos, some branded documents. I will let you discover a bit more, but that is 9-inch Idea, Lina and Arnold from Lithuania. Moving on to the next creator, also someone you know very well. I've been talking about her on this channel several times. Her name is Sandy Sevilla. She's also a Canva creator. So she says Canva Certified Creatives, CCC. She's a Canva creator and she has a digital agency. So she says digital product and content designer, your go-to for chic and click-worthy graphics that stay true to your brand. All right. Sandy has 194 followers and about to get the 195. There you go, people. 195 followers for Sandy. Let's have a look at her work. So she has a little bit less templates than the other creators. I guess maybe she has been added to the program a bit later, or she's just plain busy with her other work, which she has plenty of. So yeah, she creates also pretty consistent templates with her brand identity. One of her classic is the planners. All right, so this is Sandy's work. She's a good friend of mine, so go ahead and give her a follow as well. I'm sure there's plenty more template coming to her profile very soon. Moving on to my next highlight, and that is a designer that goes by the name of My Social Designer from the United States. The profile says, I create templates for online businesses to save time and look like a pro. MySocialDesigner.com, United States, My Social Designer. I don't know if it's a man or woman, so that bothers me a bit because I cannot say he or she, but I followed him or her. All right, so what types of template? I like the typography here. This is pretty cool, like stories. There's a bunch of them here. So that's great for quotes. Yeah, some very clean templates, very professional templates. Really like that. I think there's a lot of inspiration, and it's amazing how Canva put together this creator program. Really love that. And now they are expanding the Canva creators to different countries. I know they are in Brazil, and I know they start doing it for Latin America as well. So we'll have more and more of these very localized templates that speak to people in different markets in their language also. So that was a really genius idea from don't know who at Canva, but that was great. All right, so this is my social designer. There's so much to scroll through here, so go ahead and discover that profile. You won't regret it. Right, we are almost there. So if you're liking this video, if you're finding value in this, by all means, let us know. Give us a like, push the like button on this video. This will help us get more visibility. You can also subscribe to the channel. We have 2 tutorials every week. So for you to become a better designer. All right, let's continue and move on to the 7th designer, the 7th creator. That is a creator that goes by the name of Hop Design Studio. So we design brands and websites that people love. We also create cohesive social media, workbook, and presentation template that brings you a unique designer-like experience in a fraction of the price. P.S. Our website is still in development. Now I like that this creator is from Bali. Let's give them a follow. They also create photos. So, oh yeah, there's one photo here. They're just maybe getting started with the elements, and a bunch of different templates. I like these types. This is pretty cool. Really like this art. It's pretty good. Very consistent as well. Like I can see that these templates have been very well thought, and like the consistency. It goes by batches. You can see a batch about the celebrating pride, another batch in these tones, another batch in these tones. I like how they work by like creating with a theme. Maybe they dedicate an entire day creating templates in this kind of style, and then they move on to the next one. But that definitely adds to the cohesiveness of their templates. So maybe if someone uses one, they will be willing to download the other one as well. So yeah, very cool. Hop Design Studio, that is my highlight number 7. Moving on to highlight number 8, Canva Creator called Pure Template. Also from Indonesia, using a lot of pastel colors. Really like that. Let's give her a follow. Really cool templates, kind of minimalistic, very feminine, very delicate templates with the same consistent earthy pastel colors. So I like that, if that is your style. And also, this is going to be very important. Like you will find creators that resonate more with you, that are more aligned with your color preferences or font preferences or just pure aesthetic, and you will follow them. You don't need to follow everyone in this video. You can follow the ones that you like, as long as you follow Diana Munoz. Otherwise, she will throw her shoe at me and it's not gonna work. All right, moving on to our last designer. And the last one is called 26 Digital. We are a creative social media agency based in Chicago. So Chicago, Illinois, 37 followers. Let's give him a 38 and let's have a look at what they do. So I can see some square templates there. Oh, I like these ones, the frame ones. This is pretty cool. And so we have a little bit of a mix of different things here, functional templates as well, with messages, with icons, little messages and reminders. Kind of like when the templates are functional, like you can use them to do something specific. I think this is important. And I believe there are less templates here, but I wanted to show you this profile to kind of support him or her, because it's all about supporting the community. All right, so we have covered the 9 Canva creators. I will go back to my Canva homepage now and the templates and see and show you that I should have much more variety here in the creators I follow. See, I have now templates, not just from Andrew Pixel, like in the beginning. I believe this is a template from Andrew, but I have templates from a little bit of everyone whom I followed recently. So this is here. These are the templates that the creators that you follow have created. This is where you will find them. Again, just click on the templates tab and there will be a carousel right here with the templates that your creators have designed. So that is it for today, folks. Don't forget, you will find a link in the description that will help you follow any of these 9 Canva creators. If that is your thing, you can follow them. Thank you for watching until the end. I will see you in the next video.